How much? 50. Okay, this will be our O dash and join all the points in this manner. We done with the projection of the solid according to the its resting position. And after that, what we have to do? We have to consider the section plane for this particular solid. Okay, now what is the manner of the section plane? That is inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. So, in order to take the what is the data we are having? The incline is 30 degrees and it is pointing to the midpoint. So, select the midpoint here. Select the midpoint of the axis. What is the midpoint here? 52, 55 by 2. Okay, na? 27.5. So select that particular point, and after selecting the point, put your drafter 30 degrees to XY line, 30 degrees to XY line, and draw the line from this particular line in this manner. And draw the edges quickly in this manner. Okay, this is our section plane. And after that, what we have to do? What is the next step? After taking the section plane, what is our next step? We have to select the cutting points. What do you have to do? You have to select the cutting point. Here, how many we are having? One is BO,
AO,
BO. It will be 1 dash. Next, CO, 2 dash. DO, 3 dash. Next, EO,
4 dash,
next
AO,
5. Okay. Now you bring all the cutting points which are there in a front view into the top view into respective places. 1 dash is where? 1 dash is on a BO, so that bring the projector of 1 dash onto the BO in this manner. Now this will be 1. Okay. Next, this will be 5. Isn't it? This will be 5. Next, 2 ways to yeah. 2. Okay. Next, here it will be 4. Now 3. Join all the points. This is our section view. Okay. Then what are the things we need to highlight? The remaining portion. The outlines of the AO line. We have to. Okay. In the top view, in the front view, this is a portion we have to highlight. But in the case of this particular thing, so when we are drawing the when we are taking section planes about this position and this position, there is no problem. But when we are having these two positions, inclined positions, either it may be inclined to HP, either it may be inclined to VP. The sectional view which we are getting in this particular position is not a true shape. It's not a true shape. Why? Because see, for example, this is what is the duster. Okay. Now it is having this particular length. Okay. So when it is parallel to VP, we are getting the full length. When it is parallel to VP, see, I will draw the length of the duster here. So this is the length of the duster. Exactly, it is coming the true length. So when this duster is inclined to VP like this is inclined to VP. Now another end is where we are projecting. So this is the length reduced. So when it is inclined, we get the reduced length. So when we get the vertical length when it is a parallel. But in this case, these section planes are not parallel, so that we don't get the true shapes here. These are all what reduced shape. So in order to get the true shape, what we have to do? We have to turn this XY line. What is our XY line? This is the reference line for the HP and VP. So what we have to do in order to get the true shape, we have to incline this XY line parallel to the section plane. Okay, now what we have to do in order to get the true shape, we have to take the inclination to the xy line parallel to sectional plane. What is the sectional plane inclination here? 30 degrees. So that we have to draw the xy line with 30 degrees and parallel to this section plane. So that you put your daughter parallel to section plane. Put your daughter parallel to section plane and take some convenient distance from here. Take some convenient distance from here and draw the another xy line in this manner with the same inclination of the section plane. Now this will be our x1 y1 line. What we are doing here in this particular step, we are making the xy line parallel to section plane. We are making the xy line parallel to section plane. After making this xy line parallel to section plane, you do one thing. From every cutting point, draw one perpendicular in this manner. From every cutting point, draw one perpendicular in this manner. Okay? After drawing the perpendiculars from the every cutting point to the xy line, you measure the distance of these cutting points from this original xy line. Okay now. See on this perpendicular how many points are there? 1 and 5. On this perpendicular how many points we have? 1 and 5. We have to measure that 5 and 1 distance from the original xy line. This is original xy line. You just measure the distance of 5 and 1. So you put the distance from here. 5 is here, 1 is here. And on this perpendicular how many points are there? 2 and
4.
From the original xy line, you measure the distance of 2 and
4.
4. Okay, na? On this line only you put the 2 and 4. Okay. Now, for example, it will be 4. It will be
2.
2. Okay. Next, you measure the distance of cutting point 3, and you put here. Now, this will be 5. This is what? 1. This will be 4. 2, 3. Okay, join. This is our true shape of the section plane. This is our true shape of the
section plane.
section. So for the inclination sectional planes, we should definitely find out the true shape. If you don't find out the true shape, they will get 5 marks. For example, in the problem, in the sections of solids problem, if it is a parallel section plane, okay, na? If you draw up to this, it will be enough. But if it is an inclined section plane, definitely you should find out the true shape. Okay, na? It is having the very high weightage.